Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm a ACBA certified business analyst, and today we'll be continuing with our 212th question of our BA interview series. So let's begin. What if the interviewer asks, how do you collaborate with developers and testers in Agile? So I'll answer, I collaborate closely with developers by clarifying requirements and resolving functional queries during development. With testers, I help create test scenarios, validate business logic, and prioritize defects based on business impact. In CraftCard, I worked with teams on payment, retry, and inventory validation workflows. So as you can see, how do you collaborate with developers and testers in Agile? Very straightforward answers. A BA mostly collaborates closely with developers by clarifying requirements and resolving functional queries during development. With testers, a BA has, it he helps to create test scenarios, validates business logic, and prioritizes defects based on the business impact. If there are defects, if the tester has done something wrong, then BA has to approach the tester that there are defects here. You have to do something about it. Same with the developers. The BA has to, work closely with developers. He has to clarify requirements, resolve functional queries, during development. So these are very important tasks for BA. And the BS, as you can see, I've given an example. I've worked with teams on payment retry and inventory validation workflows. So I work with teams. Which teams? I work with development teams and testing teams for that, right? So that is how the BA collaborates with testers and developers in Agile, because the requirements, sometimes the requirements come in between. Agile is very agile, you can say. It's flexible. Anything can come at any point of time, right? There can be a requirement which comes in between, so you have to discuss with the developers, you have to discuss with the testers before implementing or before prioritizing that requirement. So yeah, I hope you learned something from it. Thanks so much for watching.